The 2018 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.